This is Samsung Galaxy A14, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and transform it into a PDF file on this device. So to start, we will need to launch the Google Drive application that comes pre-installed or built into the system, so you will not need to get any external third-party apps for it. So in here I gotta undergo verification, so let me do that real quick. So now I gotta restart the Google Drive app. Then the plus icon at the bottom right corner should appear, so here it is. Before I will begin scanning, I will remove my previous entries that I have over here. So tap at this plus icon, then choose scan, grant Drive with the camera permission, and then take a picture of the document in question. If you are satisfied with the result, just proceed by tapping at the OK button. Then at the following interface you can rotate your scan or crop it. As you can see, it was cropped incorrectly, so let me manually frame what part of photo I would like to be included into the final document that I will get. So just the text over here. You can align your photo if you want to. You can also change the color scheme. Then hit that save button, then save once again. Wait for the file to get uploaded to your drive. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.